the easiest way to make a beautiful Christmas tree from simple materials. Grab a CD and trace it on a piece of cardboard. You can use a circular lid, but make sure to add a hole in the center. Make sure the cardboard is very thick. You can layer thin pieces of cardboard to get the thickness you want. I layered 2 pieces of cardboard and glued them together to get this thickness. Glue 2 bamboo sticks opposite each other on the sides of the base, then glue them together at the top. Then glue more bamboo sticks around the base using the same technique. Make sure they're equally spaced. Then wrap a hemp rope around the tree. Make sure the rope is glued on each stick so it stays in place. You can also use a green wool rope that will give you an amazing result. You can wrap the rope straight or in a zigzag pattern. No matter what, make sure to glue the rope in place. You can find these materials in any craft shop or hardware stores. As you see, the rope will get loose if it's not glued. Never forget the glue. Add a bit of space between wraps. They don't have to be even. Keep going until you reach the top of the tree. Then wrap the rope downwards. You can wrap the rope 3 times instead of just 2, as long as you are left with as little empty space as possible. You can use any type of rope you have available at home. You'll get the same result. While wrapping the rope, glue it on the sticks as well as on itself for additional security. Once you reach the top, wrap it on itself a few times, glue it in place using the glue gun. Then continue wrapping the rope downwards. Don't cut the rope at the top. Keep wrapping using the same rope all around the tree. Glue a thick hemp rope around the base to hide the cardboard. And for a better finish, the cardboard base should be very thick, so it can hold all the sticks and rope without wobbling. Get foam paper and cut out some stars. You can choose whatever colours you like. I glued a big star at the top and small stars all around the tree. Place some LED lights inside the tree using the hole we cut out at the beginning. You can choose any light colour you want. Make sure the lights reach the top of the tree. And there you have it, an easy DIY tree that will add a special touch to your home. All the materials used can be found at home or can be bought at very affordable prices.